The Khazan land system is a perfect model of an ecosystem with an excellent blend of man, marine life, flora, fauna, land, agriculture, water bodies, migratory birds habitats, mangrove forest, and beautiful backwaters. However, these lands are now facing threats from extreme weather events driven by climate change, including change in the rainfall patterns, flooding, and rising sea levels. These factors are leading to permanent loss of land, erosion of river banks, pollution of groundwater due to salinity ingress, and flooding of nearby villages. I urge the government to provide the necessary assistance in terms of special grants, technical expertise, and robust policy framework to revitalize Khazan lands and ensure their sustainable management, which will help bring back thousands of hectares of land under cultivation, stop the permanent loss of land, and make the state more resilient to the challenges of climate change, sea level rise, and changes in the rainfall patterns. Restoring Khazan lands will not only preserve our cultural heritage but also enhance environmental sustainability.